A crack in your windshield can compromise the structural integrity of your car, as well as the safety for you and your passengers. When repairing or replacing the windshield, you should only use genuine Mercedes-Benz replacement glass. It's more than just a piece of glass. There may be integrations with systems embedded in the windshield, like the head-up display or attached cameras and sensors, critical to various driver assist features and systems. That's why you need a trained Mercedes-Benz technician to install and calibrate these windshield features to ensure their full operation. It's also important to use genuine Mercedes-Benz windshield adhesives and repair procedures to ensure a secure and long-lasting seal. While non-OEM windshield parts and services may look the same, it's important to use a Mercedes-Benz dealership with our expertly trained technicians and genuine Mercedes-Benz glass to make the repair or replacement.